Hello everybody, we're going to be doing something a little different. As you can tell, I am talking over this speed draw, so I'm going to tell you how to make a sprite, or at least how I make a sprite. So you'll see the first thing I like to do is I like to make a base, or what I call a base. And the base is everything that doesn't move in a sprite. So in this case, it's going to be like the torso, the legs, and not necessarily the face, but the head and the horns, obviously. They're going to never move in this pose. So I start with that, and I tried something a little different with this sprite. Instead of like drawing everything first and like drawing all the pieces and then shading and then doing all that, I'm in the middle of something. I did everything. I did the shading, I did the coloring, the line art. So I do a very specific thing with the shading for mixed feelings, and I have like the pixel size for the line art and everything written down. I have two different pixel sizes, 12 pixels and then like 5 point. So right now I'm doing a face, the first face that's going to be on this sprite. And the face is obviously going to change. So you also want to keep in mind like the chin and like the jawline and stuff in certain characters and positions and stuff, because those things change and you want to make sure those are part of the face. The glasses are on a separate layer because you never know, maybe I will want them without glasses at some point. And the ears, I want to be able to have them down, maybe up, maybe looking scared. So those are going to move. Now here's the interesting thing. The hair, I don't plan on making it move or anything, but I put it in two layers. There's one that's in front, and then there's one in the back. So obviously the one behind the head is going to be the layer that's in the back. And then there's the front layer. That's because if Silas ever puts their hands up to their face or anything, the bangs will be in front of the hands. And then in like the back of the hair, the hands will be in front. So you want to think of everything as dynamically as possible. I'm also doing the snake on a different layer because I want the snake to have the same face as Silas. So I might like just link that to the face one. But I want the snake to be really dynamic and have like different positions, different faces, different motions. I put the hood on a separate layer because you want to think about how the clothing is going to move based on the arms. Obviously, if the arms are going to be like up, the hood is going to move in a different position. So you want to think about that, how clothing fits on the character. Because like Peregrine, I made the clothing just a part of Peregrine's arm, and that made things easier. But I also did the shading before putting the building on like the other layers, because if I had done the shading with the arms already there, I ran out of time. But here we are. Thanks for watching my video. Here's Silas. There's gonna be more to come, like more layers. Stay tuned. Stream tonight.